All right, guys, so we've got a new tornado warning. This is in effect for the northern half of Stanley County. It does include Albemarle, Baden, New London, and Meisenheimer. It's up till 12:30 this afternoon. It looks like a confirmed tornado was reported. This was from a little bit ago near Kannapolis. That's the cell we were keeping an eye on in Cabarrus County. It is moving east at over 50 miles per hour. It is not unusual for individual cells to move that fast. So again, new tornado warning. It's northern Stanley County, Albemarle, Baden, Meisenheimer. If you're north of, say, Baden Lake, that's where your tornado warning is in effect. It is not in effect for Red Cross, Oakboro, Norwood, Lake Tillery, that area. It is the northern half of the county. Let's get a little closer look. It looks like we're starting to see a little bit of a hook begin to form, John, near Mount Pleasant.
Right, and that's Pfeiffer College. So area around Pfeiffer College and North Stanley High School.
Okay.
That's going to be in the path of this guy.
I'm not seeing anything in well, maybe a little bit near Mount Pleasant. A little bit of rotation just south of 49. This is right downtown Mount Pleasant by West Franklin Street, Highway 73. And that's going to continue up toward Highway 49. That's going to continue to slide northeast very quickly at about 40 to 50 miles per hour. Damaging winds will be the greatest threat out of this one. It looks like let's see. Okay, so the Cabarrus, what was that for, Jack?
This is for Cabarrus and southeastern Rowan counties. Confirmed tornado 13 miles southeast of Salisbury, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. This is confirmed by emergency management. Okay,
so, you know, radar data can tell you one thing, but people on the ground, something different. This looks like where it is right here.
Right there,
yeah. Yeah, right by
Meisenheimer.
Between Meisenheimer and Gold Hill. That's the area of greatest concern right now, and that's the area under a tornado warning. Rowan is under a tornado warning as well. That's up until 12:15, and northern Stanley County as well. Looks like that rotation's starting to tighten up a little bit. I'm going to change sources just a moment.
Steve, one of the reports that we're getting right now from northern Cabarrus County is that roofs are being blown off of houses. So
okay, so let's take a look at okay, right here. It looks like this is the area, Old Beatty Ford Road. We may be seeing some lofted debris. Also just to the west of Gold Hill and southwest of Gold Hill. It looks like along Old Beatty's Ford Road, St. Stephen's Church Road, and Highway 52. That'll be the area of greatest concern for tornado damage. This is not a storm you want to take lightly, friends. Looks like this may be the real deal as it continues to slide northeast at over 50 miles per hour. Seeing signs of rotation on radar, seeing signs of lofted debris. Just got word from our producer, CMS is not dismissing early, and that's probably the best advice we can give you. If you haven't already moved to a safe location, hunker down where you are right now until this clears on out. So again, the Gold Hill area, and that's going to slide northeast between High Rock and Newsom. This is up in Rowan County over the next 20 minutes or so. Let's get an idea again on velocity data, see if we can actually pick something up. Just seeing straight line winds here. On our velocity data, again, what we're looking for are areas green next to red, and we're seeing two areas of concern. Just west of Newsom, this is along Reeves Island Road, and let's get even tighter here. Let's see, State Road 2150 and 2152. A definite sign of rotation here, and that's going to move right over Newsom. We're getting a radar update. And there it is. I mean, we're talking, what we're looking for are winds blowing in opposite directions. Okay, so you see green next to red right there, and that is going to work its way northeast almost on top of Newsom. This thing has spun up really quickly, John. I mean, just in the last couple of minutes.
So I'm trying to just we zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so south of High Rock Lake and Lake Tillery. So right over there in that part, you got the high school there at North Stanley. So they're using emergency procedures right now. And then right over at the top of Pfeiffer College. Steve, I also wanted to show you, since we're tracking the storm, it looks like that line down to the southwestern side of it is showing some force too, up near Clover. So I mean, we're not out of the woods yet by any stretch. I mean, it doesn't look tornadic, but some serious straight line winds, if you widen it out, are coming out on the south side. You see that?
Yeah, that's the second part of the line. It's a broken line, so we're seeing more damaging winds potentially for Stanley, Gaston, Dallas. Looks like a new tornado warning.
They have now expired. The Mecklenburg County, they let it expire at noon as expected. They have not extended that warning at this point. But
okay, so it's now high noon, so let's get a quick reset on what we're talking about. The first part of the squall line is still producing an active tornado warning, southeast Rowan, northern half of Stanley County. That's up till 12:15, so another 15 minutes. Rockwell, Meisenheimer, and then as you work your way south and west toward Reimer, that's the area we're most concerned about in Rowan County, and I would say New London, Meisenheimer, and maybe north of Baden Lake in Stanley County. I'm going to put a track on it. Now remember, this thing is moving at better than 50 miles per hour, so conditions will worsen quickly. If you just heard your name, you need to just get inside as it continues to slide toward Meisenheimer, toward Denton by about 12:20 or so. Looks like a warning is up till 12:30. Which one would that be? That is the Stanley County warning up till 12:30. So we got two warnings, Rowan County till 12:15 and Stanley County until 12:30. Damaging winds along that entire line. Now, as John mentioned, we're keeping an eye on that second line. This is the southern half of the line, which has grown in the last like 15 minutes or so. Let's get an idea as to what's happened here as I put this into motion.
Doesn't look tornadic, but it sort of
No, it looks like a straight line wind threat,
especially
in York County and along the York-Gaston County line.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a little bit of analysis here as we put an end to the lapse. Let's take a look inside of here. Now, the data may be a little wishy-washy, a little wonky because the initial line is right over the radar site, but we're seeing signs of damaging winds, I would say just east of 321 between Gastonia and Cramerton and then down toward Crowders, which has already seen some damaging winds due to a tornado, and then down toward Bowling Green and Clover. So it looks like the tornado warning will continue till 12:15. That is for Rowan County, and Cabarrus County has now been canceled. So we're talking about Rowan County and Stanley County. A new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for York, Cabarrus, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union County till 12:45, and that's that line that we just showed you. And I'm seeing signs of some pretty damaging winds here.